Welcome back, students. Dear students, the last topic of the second unit, that is entropy, is the applications of TDS equations. Let us see the applications of TDS equations step by step. Here, the first applications of Maxwell's thermodynamic relations, that is Clausius-Clapeyron equations. There are so many applications are there, like Mayer's equation Cp minus Cv equals R, and TDS equations, first equation, second equations, and PV equals RT. These are all derived by using Maxwell's thermodynamic relations, that is which we already seen in the previous session. That means 21st session, the Maxwell's thermodynamic relations. Four relations are already you know. By using these relations, we can derive the application like Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Let us see Clausius-Clapeyron equation. From second law of second thermodynamic relation, it means Maxwell's thermodynamic relation, that is dou S by dou V equals dou P by dou T. Using this relation, we just multiply by the temperature T, both LHS and RHS side, we get T into dou S by dou T, dou V equals T into dou P by dou T. But you know that the entropy equation, that is entropy dou S is equal to dou Q by T, hence on simplify the entropy equation, that is T into dou S equals dou Q. Here you just substitute the value here for dou S value T into dou S in the above equation. Here T into dou S equals dou Q. Therefore it becomes LHS of this equation, T into dou S becomes dou Q, the denominator dou V as same. This is equal to, in the RHS the term remains the same, that is T into dou P by dou T, as T and V are the functions. Let it be equation 1. Here the quantity dou Q by dou V, small change in the heat to the small change in volume, this ratio dou Q by dou V, it always represents the amount of heat absorbed or liberated per unit increase in the volume at a constant temperature, T. It gives latent heat, so that dou Q is the latent heat. Dou Q is replaced by latent heat L when unit mass of substance changes its volume from V1 to V2 at constant temperature. Therefore, the equation 1 becomes, that is, you can just replace in the equation 1 dou Q equals L and dou V equals V2 minus V1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes dou Q by dou V at a constant temperature, that is equal to dou Q is replaced by L, dou V in the denominator is replaced with V2 minus V1. Hence the equation 1, once again it becomes L by V2 minus V1 in the LHS side. The RHS side, the quantity remains the same, that is T into dou P by dou T at constant volume. Therefore, on rearranging this equation, that means dou P by dou T, that is equal to, here just you cross multiply the T in the to the denominator, that is L upon T into V2 minus V1, that will be equation 2. This is Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation. This one is Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation. This is derived from Maxwell's thermodynamic relation. Let us see the TDS equation. Temperature entropy equation. There are two equations are there. First TdS equation and second TdS equation. Let us see the first TdS equation. For this one, here the entropy, yes, it is represented by the symbol S, the of a pure substance. Entropy of a pure substance can be taken as a function of temperature and volume. That is, S is equal to S of T comma V. Here entropy is a function of temperature and volume. Therefore, ds is equal to, here partial differentiation of this one is dou S by dou T into dt. Here dou S by dou T into dt plus again dou S by dou V. Here second function is V, dou S by dou V with respect to dV. Let it be equation 1. Just you multiply by T on both sides of the equation 1, we just multiply by T on both sides of the equation, we get T into ds equals T into dou S by dou T into dt plus T into dou S by dou V into dV. Let it be equation 2. But we know that Cv equals T into dou S by dou T. Here Cv means specific heat of gas at constant volume. Here Cv equals T into dou S by dou T. Here you can just substitute this one, and by using the Maxwell's second relation, that is dou S by dou V equals dou P by dou T. Here dou S by dou V in the equation 2 is there, dou S by dou V. You can just replace this one by dou P by dou T using the second relation. And dou S by dou T is replaced with T into, that is T into dou S by dou T is replaced with Cv. Hence, the equation 2 becomes LHS TdS equals the RHS. Here T into dou S by dou T means Cv, specific heat of gas at constant volume, plus here T as it is, but dou S by dou V. Dou S by dou V means the Maxwell's second thermodynamic relation, that is dou P by dou T. You just replace it one. That is dou P by dou T, dV as it is. Let it be equation 3. Hence the equation 3 is called the first TdS equation. First TdS equation. Here the equation 3 contains the entropy and the specific heat of a gas at constant volume and the ratio dou P by dou T at constant volume dV. Next, second TdS equation. Here the entropy of a pure substance, which is also be regarded as a function of temperature and pressure. In the previous slide, the first entropy is a function of temperature and volume. Here for second case, the entropy is a function of temperature and pressure. Here for this one, we just differentiate this one, that is ds is equal to dou S by dou T as a function of temperature, that is dt, plus dou S by dou V as a function of pressure. Let it be equation 1. Therefore, we just multiply by T on both sides. We get T into ds equals T into dou S by dou T into dt plus T into dou S by dou V into dP. Let it be equation 2. Here, you know that specific heat of gas at a constant pressure, that is given by the formula T into dou S by dou T. And the Maxwell's fourth relation, thermodynamic relation, dou S by dou P equals minus dou V by dou T. Here you can substitute these things, these values in the equation 2. We get here, in the equation 1 and 2, in the denominator, here V, make it correct here, you don't write V, you put it P. V is replaced by P here. Here dou s by dou p, here this one is dou s by dou p. Here substitute these equations Cp and the fourth relation in equation 2. We get here LHS remains same, T into ds. This is equal to here T into ds by dt is replaced by Cp here, dt as it is, minus because dou s by dou p, dou s by dou p, here dou s by dou p, here v is replaced by p here, make it correction. Dou s by dou p is written as minus of dou v by dou t into this one dp. Let it be equation 3. This is the second TDS equation. Thank you.